Are you looking for the best garden sprayer nozzles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best garden sprayer nozzles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Automan Garden Hose Nozzle. The Automan hose nozzle is designed for versatility and ease of use. With 7 adjustable watering patterns, you can easily switch between settings to suit different tasks, whether you're watering plants or washing your car. Its lightweight and slip-resistant material ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle during extended use. The nozzle also features a leak-free design that fits all standard garden hoses, thanks to its rubber seal gasket. Additionally, the labor-saving lock bar allows you to keep the water flowing without having to hold down the trigger, providing convenience for any outdoor task. What we like: great price, lightweight design, no leaks, easy to switch settings, sturdy construction. What we don't like: not heavy duty, flimsy handle. Number 2. Alma Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer. The Alma Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer has a durable zinc alloy and ABS plastic construction with a rubber coating. The 10 adjustable spray patterns enable the user to complete all gardening tasks, including high-pressure cleaning and gentle watering. The 3/4-inch brass connector fits all U.S. standard hoses, and the thumb control valve allows for high or low-pressure water flow. The ergonomic design of the slip-resistant rubber handle ensures comfortable and long-lasting use without any leakage problems. What we like: multiple spray patterns, easy thumb control, sturdy and well-made, good for arthritis sufferers, no leaks reported. What we don't like: somewhat flimsy quality, average spray selections. Number 3. NEXCOVER Garden Hose Nozzle. The NEXCOVER hose nozzle is designed for durability and convenience. Made from high-quality ABS plastic with a rust-resistant coating, it ensures long-lasting use. With 7 adjustable spray patterns, you can easily switch from a powerful jet to a gentle mist, making it perfect for watering plants, washing cars, or showering pets. Its leak-proof design features a rubber washer to prevent water waste, while the integrated trigger lock allows for continuous flow without strain. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making your gardening tasks more enjoyable and efficient. What we like: multiple spray settings, lightweight design, no leaks reported, comfortable grip, good value for price. What we don't like: durable lifespan concerns, entirely plastic construction. Number 4. HVNPSH Heavy Duty Hose Nozzle. The HVNPSH hose nozzle is designed for ease and versatility in your outdoor watering tasks. Its lightweight construction ensures easy handling while being durable enough for everyday use. With 10 different spray patterns, you can easily switch from a powerful jet to a gentle mist, making it perfect for everything from garden watering to pet bathing. The thumb control feature allows you to adjust the water flow effortlessly, which is particularly helpful for those with limited hand strength. Plus, the ergonomic non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to use it for longer periods without discomfort. What we like: adjustable water flow, diverse spray options, no leaks reported, stylish design, easy fit with hoses. What we don't like: non-standard trigger mechanism, control toggle may confuse. Number 5. VMFind Garden Hose Sprayer. The VMFind hose nozzle is a versatile tool for tackling various outdoor tasks. With 7 different spray settings, you can easily switch between misting your plants or delivering a powerful jet to clean your car. This nozzle is designed for effortless attachment to any garden hose, making it convenient for use at home or on the go, such as in an RV or camper. Its lightweight design and leak-proof seal ensure that you can handle it comfortably without worrying about messy spills. Enjoy efficient watering and cleaning with this handy garden accessory. What we like: multiple spray options, easy attachment to hoses, lightweight design, Leak-proof seal.